Warren Buffett says, the stock market is a device for transferring money from the impatient to the patient. Robert Kiyosaki says, the rich don't work for money. They make money work for them. Two financial giants, two very different paths to wealth. But what if you could combine the discipline of Buffett with the cash flow mindset of Kiyosaki, and add a modern trading edge powered by AI and data? In today's video, we'll break down the best investing advice from Warren Buffett and Robert Kiyosaki, and review an amazing tool called VIP Indicators, designed to help you trade smarter, faster, and with more confidence. So grab your notebook, this one's packed with value. Let's start with the Oracle of Omaha, Warren Buffett. Buffett's philosophy centers on value investing, buying great companies at fair prices and holding them for the long term. Here are his top 5 principles that have built billions. Invest in what you understand. Don't follow trends, know the business model. Buy when others are fearful. Crashes create opportunities. Hold for the long term. Buffett once said his favorite holding period is forever. Focus on cash flow and management quality. Great leaders drive great results. Avoid speculation. He never tries to time the market, he invests in value. Buffett's approach works brilliantly, but it takes time, patience, and years of market experience. That's why more active traders look for tools to help them analyze patterns faster, and that's where today's tool, VIP Indicators, enters the picture. Now, let's shift gears to Robert Kiyosaki, the entrepreneur, investor, and author of Rich Dad Poor Dad. While Buffett focuses on stocks, Kiyosaki emphasizes financial freedom through cash flow and assets. His 5 core wealth lessons are: the rich buy assets, not liabilities. Cash flow is king, build income streams that pay you every month. Use debt wisely, leverage can accelerate growth if used properly. Invest in your financial education, money grows where knowledge flows. Mindset matters more than money, think like an owner, not an employee. Kiyosaki believes that financial freedom starts when your passive income exceeds your expenses. And while he prefers real estate and business investing, modern tools like VIP Indicators make it possible to apply similar cash flow principles to trading, using smart signals and data to spot profit opportunities daily. Let's talk about VIP Indicators, a trading tool available on ClickBank that helps traders identify high-probability entry and exit points in real time. It's designed for everyday investors who don't have years to study charts like Warren Buffett, or millions to buy assets like Robert Kiyosaki. Here's what makes VIP Indicators powerful. Real-time buy, sell alerts. Instant signals for trending markets, crypto, forex, or stocks. AI-powered accuracy. Backtested algorithms that filter noise and highlight reliable setups. Beginner-friendly dashboard. Simple visuals, you don't need to be a pro trader to understand it. Works with major platforms. Compatible with TradingView and MetaTrader. Lifetime access option. No recurring fees, a one-time investment for lifetime updates. When you apply Buffett's patience and Kiyosaki's cash flow mindset, VIP Indicators gives you the data edge to act confidently. Imagine being able to scan the market like a pro, spotting strong entry zones, setting stop losses automatically, and avoiding emotional trades. That's what VIP Indicators helps you do. It turns analysis into clear visual signals. It doesn't replace your brain, it amplifies your decision-making. Getting started with VIP Indicators is easy. Click the affiliate link in the description below. Choose your package. Follow the simple setup guide and connect your trading account. Watch the tutorials and start trading smarter, not harder. Combine Buffett's patience, Kiyosaki's mindset, and VIP Indicators' AI precision, and you've got a complete formula for success. If you enjoyed this breakdown of Warren Buffett and Robert Kiyosaki's investing wisdom, and you're ready to take your trading to the next level, click the link below to try VIP Indicators today. Remember, don't just chase money, build wealth with wisdom and data. This is EQTV Africa, make money online. See you in the next video.